Hey folks, it's Mrs. Gibbs, your favorite ELA 11 teacher. I'm here today for you to know what you are to be doing this week. So the first thing you want to do when you log into Blackboard is go to lesson plans so you can find out what you're supposed to be doing this week. So this week, hold on. As you can see, I'm recording this on a Friday, so it's not really a Monday. All right, so for you, it's Monday, and here we go. So what you're going to do is you're going to look for Monday. Oh my goodness, why are we in August? I don't know what is going on here, my friends. Must have gone backwards. There we go. All right, so it should say 9/13/2021. And you're going to scroll down and find what's going on today and this week. So this week, we are going to be studying the Iroquois and the creation myth, okay? Starting out with early American history and tying that in with literature. So today, you're going to open up the slides, okay? I have a slide presentation for you that you're going to read through. Slides 1 through 15 are today. And then tomorrow you're going to finish the rest of them and start your reading assignment, Read the World on a Turtle's Back. There are links at the bottom of lesson plans in case you can't find anything. So we have the links to the PowerPoint, slideshow rather, the reading excerpt, and also the study guide, which you're going to be filling in throughout the week. All right, so let's go to assignments. You are going to scroll down to Iroquois Creation Myth, Week 3. And here you will find your slides, okay? And the rest of the assignments, the study guide, and some other things we'll talk about in just a moment. So once you click on that, you're going to come to our slides. And within the slides, you're going to make your own copy, okay? Please make your own copy so that you can do what you'd like to it. All right, so you have links to videos and also the documents that you'll need for this class. So if you want to access those videos or documents, just right-click on the link. Whoops, in theory. There we go, and it'll bring up the link you can click on to watch videos and also open up study guides and the reading supplement. Okay, so this week we are going to read The World on a Turtle's Back, which is an Iroquois creation story. Many of you have probably heard of the Iroquois. If you live in Northwest Pennsylvania, it's very close. We have actually a school district. The high school is Iroquois High School, which is in Wattsburg, Pennsylvania. So that's pretty close to where I live. So they're a Native American group that is prevalent in this area. All right, so to start off, you're going to watch the video. After the video, you're going to open up your study guide and you're going to answer the questions after you've read through the symbols of the Iroquois clans. Are animals, water animals, land animals, sky animals. And you can read a little bit more about each one here. And then on your study guide, you're going to answer which element and animal best represents your personality and why. Then you're going to continue to read through the different slides. At the bottom, you'll see a footnote. So that'll give you a little bit more information as if I were teaching you live in a classroom. That's where you're going to find that information on kind of what we're talking about. Answer the questions, think about the questions, etc. Now, you'll see some of these questions on your study guide, which you'll need to answer. I'll go over the study guide in just a moment. Continue to read through, look at the footnotes. Okay, answer questions as you see them. So, for example, here you just have a picture. So go down to the footnotes to read a little bit about what that picture represents. Here you have some questions to think about before you start reading. Okay, there is a link to the Onondaga Nation website where they have current events, articles, different information about that Native American group. Okay, some more questions which you'll answer on your study guide. Here you have the link to Reading the World on a Turtle's Back. You're going to open up that link, read the materials, and then reflect back on your answer questions in the study guide, okay? Some more questions. What does the creation myth reveal about cultural values of the Iroquois? Please answer that in your study guide. Some more questions to think about as we review. Now, one other piece. What does the creation myth reveal about cultural values of the Iroquois? What you're going to do is create a 1 to 2 paragraph conclusion stating your answer to that question. So make sure you state your conclusion clearly and concisely, support your conclusion with relevant, sufficient textual evidence, and explain your conclusion with logical reasoning. What happened there? All right, so an example of this is on the following page. Maybe. Okay, it was on the following page. Where did it go? There it is. Oh, I just added an extra slide. All right, there we go. So example here you can read. I gave you of that paragraph. So what you're going to do with that is you're going to submit that in Blackboard. There is an assignment location, which I'll go over in just a moment, for where you to put that. Okay, the next part in Ingenuity, pull up instruction. It's going to be the first section in Ingenuity. You're going to complete slides 3 and 4 under instruction. Take a snip of slide 4 to submit in Blackboard. Next, the last thing you're going to do for the week is complete the summary activity and quiz. Take a snip of the completed quiz score and submit that into Blackboard. Okay, so let's go back to our assignments for this week, where you will see where to submit things. So here is the study guide, which you'll open up, and you will answer the questions. Okay, so let's open that up so you can see the questions. We have vocabulary. Here's where you'll see the animals as symbols. Stop and answer questions with the reading. And then there's the multiple choice questions and a couple excerpts to read and answer questions. Please, please, please make your own copy. You see I put it on each page in red. This is read only. You need to make your own copy. Remember, you go up to File, Make a Copy, and then name your copy. Put your last name on it. When you are ready to share it with me, make sure that you provide access by changing who can view it, okay? Otherwise, I can't view it. When you're done with that, take that link that you just copied and put it into the assignment to submit in Blackboard, okay? So everybody hopefully knows how to do that. All right, this is where you're going to submit that Google Doc with your with your Create Myth conclusion, that 1 to 2 paragraph item. It's going right here. Just submit the link, or you can also submit it as a Word document, please. Here's where you're going to submit your snip from Ingenuity for questions 3 and 4, that's the quiz. I apologize. That's the quiz where you're going to snip your score and put it in here. And then this is the location to put the Ingenuity slide 3 and 4 snip. Okay, if you have any questions, please send me an email. I also have office hours on Friday from 8:10 to 10:05 and from 2:55 to 4. So please take advantage of those office hours if you have questions. In a few weeks, we'll start making mandatory office hour visits for all of my asynchronous students. So I hope you have a great rest of your day. If you have any questions, please send me an email, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.